Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Shorao Road leading to Pumbulpa Ferry gets submerged every day for the past so many years. Locals say they have approached everybody but to no avail. MLA says will try and resolve it. Shigmo was celebrated in Palia to the beats of the Dol and Tashe, but under COVID shadow. Sporting Club de Goa routed Penjim footballers 5-0 in Pro League match at Duler. And now for the news in detail. Mapsa, Madgaon, Kepe, Murmugaon and Sangye are going to polls on April 23. We take a look at the day's elections roundup.
In Margao, 6 persons filled their nominations on Saturday. Till date, 14 have filled their nominations. These include candidates from the 3 panels as well as independents.
I am Ronita Skankar, contesting from ward number 14, and it is a great privilege and opportunity to me to be the reason for the development of Margao. And I request all the people from my ward, from ward number 14, from Margao, as a daughter, take me as a daughter and please support, have faith in me, and yes, please do support me. Thank you.
आज आम्ही फॉर्म बोलाते भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे.
ओके. तुमची किती विचार आहा फुडें कशें काम करपाक कितें आहा?
फुडें काम म्हणजे आमी सगळीं मेळून एकठांय जावन म्हणजे भारतीय जनता पार्टी आमी एकठांय जावन आमी सगळें काम करतले कितें आहा तें.
In Kepe, the count has reached 16 after 4 persons filed their nomination on Saturday. In Kepe, last time the local MLA and Deputy CM Chandrakant Babu Kaulekar had managed to get some of his candidates elected unopposed. This time the opposition says that they will not allow this to happen and put up candidates in all wards.
Ward number 8 of Kepe Municipal Council जो जनरल कॅटेगरीन आसा तातूंतल्यान हांवें आज म्हजें नॉमिनेशन फायल केल्लें आसा. फाटलीं 10 वर्सां एज अ कावन्सिलर म्हणून हांवें लोकांली सेवा केल्ली आसा. जाता तशी लोकांनी कामां केल्लीं आसा आनी ह्यान फुडें एक सोशियल वर्काची तळमळ आसा. आमी खंय तरी कामां केल्या, लोक खंय तरी आमकां जाय म्हणटात, लोकांनी खंय तरी तूं परतो बस म्हणून सांगला, म्हणून आमी लोकांच्या विश्वासाचेर आनी आमी जी कामां केल्लीं आसात लोकांक जे पाविल्लें आसा, ज्या भशेन आमी लोकांक हेल्प केल्लें आसा त्या हिम्मतीचेर आमी आज फॉर्म भरिल्लें आसा आनी चंद्रेश्वरा कृपेन आनी देवाच्या कृपेन आमकां यशूय मेळटलें. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार वता थंय मतदारालो प्रतिसाद एकदम बरो आसा. सगळ्यांक म्हणटात की मोहन बाब तुमी आमची कामां केल्यात, आमकां तुजो असलोच कावन्सिलर जाय. म्हणटकीर चड न उलयता आमी आमची कामां करत रावपाची. आमकां जो कितें कौल दिवपाचो आसा ते आमचे मतदार विजयी करून आमकां कौल दितले, हातून आमकां मात्तूय दुबाव ना आनी आमी निश्चित विजय जातलो आमचो.
Last time the Murmugaon municipality was faction driven, even though the taluka had all BJP MLAs including 2 ministers. However, this time the BJP High Command claims to have brokered a peace among them. Besides the BJP backed panel, there is a Congress backed panel and one by Daji Salkar, former chairperson.
And आज ऑफिस इनॉग्रेशन झालं आमच्या वॉर्ड नंबर 9 कॅन्डिडेटाचे आणि जे हांगसून आमी जे प्रयत्न आमचे चालू आसतले हे इलेक्शनाक म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाचे. आणि आयज तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा जे आमच्या मुर्मुगांव लेडीज वॉर्ड नासले, आयज जेन्ना आमी केस घातली सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेले तेन्ना तेज्या लागून आयज आमकां एक 3 लेडीज वॉर्ड हांगा आतां जाल्लेले आसा मुर्मुगांवान आनी तेजे भितरलो एक वॉर्ड नंबर 9. सो हो वॉर्ड नंबर 9 जो आमचो आसा तेजे भितर आमी योगिता पार्सेकराक आमचे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून काडिल्ले आसा.
म्हाका चान्स मेळ्ळा, सो तो म्हाका चान्स घेवन म्हाका सगळें कितें चल्लां ते सगळ्यांनी बदलाव हाडपाचो, चेंजीस करपाच्या आनी जेका खरी खंयची गरज आसा ताका सदांच हांव फुडें उबें रावता, इतलेंच हांव सांगूंक सोदतां. थँक्यू.
Goa 365 reporting team.
Police arrest 2 persons for killing their co-worker during a brawl on Friday night at Valsao. The 3 were working on board a fishing trawler. 28-year-old Sunny Singh was allegedly killed with a wooden danda after heated arguments.
The team led by PI Sharif Jacks arrested both the accused in the murder case. They have been identified as Dinesh Kumar Bhartiya, aged 46 years, resident of Valsao and native of Uttar Pradesh, while Shivnath Maji, aged 48 years, also resident of Velsaung and native of Odisha. Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Velsaung.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The road leading to Pumurpa ferry gets submerged every day for the past several years, and nobody seems to be doing anything about it. Locals say that the road gets submerged as saline water enters the fields and then comes onto the road. During high tide, entire road is submerged and there is no access to the ferry. Here are the details.
The road is slowly giving way, and locals fear that as soon they will not have any road if this situation continues. They are very upset against the apathy of the government in repairing the bund of the Kawa Kazan. They say that it is because of this that the road leading to the Pumurpa ferry gets submerged every day. During the high tide, the entire road is submerged and there is no access to the ferry. The local MLA, when contacted, said that he would resolve the issue.
खासदार आमचे शेत आसा आनी गेली 6 वर्सां जाली हांगासर कावा खावटे पडोन ह्या रस्त्या वयल्यान उदीक वयता, रस्तो पाड जाला, सगळें खाजान पाड जाला. तशेंच वर्साच्या वर्सा हांवें केल्ली मेहनत म्हाजी उदकान वयता. अंदू सुद्दां हांवें रोंपे लायिल्ल्यान हें केल्लें, इतले रोंपे लायिल्ल्यान इतले बरें जाल्ले, सगळे ह्या खावट्याच्या हितून आडोवन हें जावन उदीक आडोवन उरोवन सगळें पाड जालें आनी इबाड जाला सगळो. म्हाजे ते त्या खातीर हांवें खूब जाणांक हें केलें, सरकारी दरबारी हें केलें. एग्रीकल्चरान गेल्लो हांव काल. म्हाका एग्रीकल्चरान जेन्ना डायरेक्टरान सांगलें की आमकां तें लागना, पूण हांव आतां कितें उलोवं आनी कितें सांगूं तें म्हाका सारकें सदमान.
आमी जे सद्या आसा ते चोडणा गांवान आसा आनी चोडणा गांवची ही 2 खाजनां, हे आमचे जे म्हाजे जे उजव्या वाटेन जे आसा तेका कातोड खाजन म्हणटा आनी दाव्या वाटेन जे आसा तेका कावा खाजन म्हणटा. आतां हे कावा खाजनाचो इश्यू हो फाटली 2 वर्सां जालो चलता. तांचो बांद जो आसा त्या खाजनाचो बांद जो आसा ते फाटल्या 2 वर्सांसून डॅमेज जायत आसा आनी तेका खावटी पडत आसा. आनी ते खावटी पडल्या उपरांत ते कितें जाता, तेका उदक वचपाक आनी दुसरे कडल्यान वाट नासल्या कारणान हो आमचो मेन रोड जो पंबुर्पा फेरीक कनेक्ट करता पळय तो म्हणटात तो खावटी जशें पडले आनी जशी हाय टायड जावन भरती जाली काय ना, ते सगळें उदक ह्या रस्त्या वयल्यान येता आनी लोकांचो जो वचपाचो जो वाट जी आसा ती वाट बंद जाता. आनी जेंका कोणाक वयचेच कशें दिसता ते मागीर ते खाऱ्या उदकांसून आपली मोटारी घेवन ते खाऱ्या उदकांसून मार्गक्रमण करता. पूण कितें जाता, ना जाल्यार समजा हे वाटेन जर थोड्यांक वचोंक मेळना जाल्यार थोड्यांच्यो गाडयो पिड्यार जातले म्हणटा कितें करता, एक तर ते भायर वयचे जाल्यार आमचो रायबंदची फेरी यूज करता किंवा हे वाटेनच्यान कालवेची फेरी यूज करता, कालवेचो पूल यूज करता. अशें करून हे आमचे चोडणेकारांचे अशे हाल जाता. पूण आमी सरकारा कडेन कितलेच फावटी आमची कैफियत मांडली की जाता जाल्यार मातशें ते बांद रिपेर करा आनी आमकां मातशी सेफ्टी दिया म्हणून. पूण आतां 2 वर्सां जालीं सरकार आमकां फक्त झुलत दवरता.
टेंडरनी आमी पत्र बरयल्लें, आमच्या ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक पत्र बरयल्लें आनी जो टेंडर चाललो आसा जात आसा ते गव्हर्मेंटाक ह्या सोमार आमी अपॉयंटमेंट घेतला आनी हे ह्या दिसा भितरच जातले. ते काय ना, हांवें प्रश्न खूब पयलीं पासून घेतलो. ह्यो आतां न्ही, ह्याक आमी लास्ट 8 दिसां भितर ऑलरेडी जेन्ना प्रॉब्लम सुरू जालो तेन्नाच आमी केल्लो.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Shorao.
Shigmo was celebrated in the state with enthusiasm but under a shadow. On Friday, Palia in Pedne reverberated to the beats of Dol and Tashe as people watched the Romtamel and folk dances. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Sporting Club de Goa routed Panjim footballers 5-0 in a one-sided Pro League match played at Dulles Stadium on Saturday.
Akaraj Martins, 40th and 45th minute, scored a brace, while Rohit Totad, 19th minute, Philip Odogwu, 50th minute, and Gaurav Kankonkar, 68th minute, were the other goal scorers for the Flaming Orange. With this win, Sporting Club de Goa climbed to the top of the league table with 19 points from 9 games.
The Goa Professional League after many years is so important, gives a chance for these players to analyze themselves as this ball comes in from Gautam Dice, and then Marcus Mascarenhas' ball in, and just like that, Sporting Club de Goa have taken the lead once again. Marcus Mascarenhas at the end of it. I mean, it's gone out for another Sporting throw-in, but Panjim footballers look a little jaded here today. They're probably a little overawed by the situation. They are playing against their senior team, but they've looked a little clumsy. The likes of Akash Sanadi and Valmiki Miranda have been absolutely outclassed by Gautam Dice and this so beautiful Gaurav Kankonkar, who's shown that he is a different class altogether. This is Marcus Joel. Gaurav skipping away from Valmiki's challenge, spreads it out wide to Myron Fernandez. This is Rohit Totad. Gautam Dice makes the run forward. The ball in!
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa. There was no large change in maximum and minimum temperatures over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. Maximum temperatures were normal over North Goa and above normal over South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 34.3 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panji.
Minimum temperatures were normal over North Goa and South Goa districts. The lowest minimum temperature of 23.8 degrees C was recorded at Panji. 5-day forecast. North Goa. Weather is very likely to be dry over the district on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th April. No large change in maximum temperature, minimum temperature during 4 to 5 days. South Goa. Weather is very likely to be dry over the district on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th April. No large change in maximum temperature, minimum temperature during 4 to 5 days. Weather warnings. North Goa. No weather warnings for the next 5 days. South Goa. No weather warnings for the next 5 days. Fishermen warning for Maharashtra Goa coast. Warning for North Maharashtra coast up to 75 kilometers from the coastline. Warning for South Maharashtra Goa coast up to 75 kilometers from the coast Nil. Warning for high sea other coast beyond 75 kilometers from coast. Strong winds with speed reaching 40 to 50 kilometers per hour likely to prevail over Gulf of Mannar on 3rd April. Fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. Local forecast for the Panji city, 24 hours. Mainly clear sky becoming partly cloudy sky towards evening. Maximum minimum temperatures likely to be around 34 degrees C and 24 degrees C respectively. 48 hours. Mainly clear sky becoming partly cloudy sky towards evening. Maximum minimum temperatures likely to be around 34 degrees C and 24 degrees C respectively. Local forecast for Mormugao. 24 hours. Mainly clear sky becoming partly cloudy sky towards evening. Maximum minimum temperatures likely to be around 34 degrees C and 25 degrees C respectively. 48 hours. Mainly clear sky becoming partly cloudy sky towards evening. Maximum minimum temperatures likely to be around 34 degrees C and 25 degrees C respectively. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from the IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.